la kalomasi. Aja la kalomasi.
ICCA nesbera buo pala Koteso College aloet atubulchuna lolom akalona Kim abwangun otogole maikitai okiralo ejai West Wing itaboi iperisho igoen ka asadukun kesabua Kim na onyam kwa itatamtor apol nesomero Julius Opaso
abunga no makropa ya brigade simu porque si obongo kisema be amonara berekete motoka kwenye siko kitozimo be tamere kesne pedoreta ilepo na motoka chiara la primary school ala lo district local government na nedum tar keske era no bunare ngara ken kwenye bodo mala la subanu be by the time na do na tar keske adamu be apotu mwalimu ni morna kare do pedosi e tudengo rakemi ni tuti tot so akemi ni rai lo do metula nyato akro house just get the rooms in room A, B, C. Do room C in yes ne ge utarakim. Do damage dale tolomuti affecting ata room on bon. Do proper dale do ngonoto mamera kere. Not all the 41 students in that room are affected.
Akim na nesege onito sawa nepeta ewongono atupruch ido ewamitai erai area makina ewayai neseja ikini enokuni.
We have also been trying to establish the source of fire because so the dormitory one are locked na tai dormitory scare lo masido atuko no they are all locked both kekiato ni dirisa na locked so na ara sala ge no reti dia kemida ngina do mutai keke ya re lo ngare ke lo ka golol idirisa na da kere golol so ara bwanga na la bre anu to soma ayo to sama kipare mono rakipo dirisa na kada fire extinguisher dirisa
Emwali mediope John Robert Ilokor nesabu apuru isilio ejai atamiti aitudenga akimena konye abuikwaru akalo na isawa ni arei
perikita madekisi napo semero konye mamu eja usinaro noi le maboni ikomu isabu awuni atenga akawala kira budanga ni boni be udanga bunga disiar konye do yang arengo lo menga dekisna no semero bina simukengo done kubukana agungengo mamation siberno
Ayaiton nukaitija Kim Kosoro team Dennis Apieu ngesia balam ebe yapitos kesi adolun naram amnarama tokan are kere nuito somaite kesi ibore arari do kesi akirita ilipunu amatokano somero loidegei Soroti Flying School.
As the emergency tender from the airport was leaving, I took off with them. So we came here and met here. I also called the support from the district government, and they supported me with a water bowser. That water bowser I can also fight for. So I came with the 3 trucks. The one which I was in, which came from Kampala, then the one from the district, the water bowser, then one from the airport.
Kotoma orekod luka police Akim na kesara nukanyango na lomunu Kotoma osomeroi ido iwangono kesatwaka Kotoma Kim ageu na puga ni someroi ingongare COVID kanuye mutolo esa ediope bong Dilax Emi Alamu ka Godfrey Ojore Kanuka TV East.
You'll give us the insight and the spirit that will make us to be alert